Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your email ID on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, Google Maps is a Google service that is not directly tied to your account. There are certain aspects of it. For example, if you want to, place your business location on Google Maps, you will need to do it. However, you'll do it through the Business Center and Google Ads, so that's really nothing to do with Google Maps. When you set it up on on the Google Business Center and you add the address, it's automatically going to be shown on the Google Maps. However, you can also right-click on Google Maps and add your business, which will then take you to the Business Center. However, that is kind of irrelevant, so because Maps isn't directly tied to your Google account for most things, there's really no point in changing email IDs. However, if you want to change your email ID, you literally just need to change from your Google account you're currently on to another one, and that's pretty much it. What is directly tied to the email ID is Your Maps, which is pretty much just a offshoot of Google Maps, well, rather a functionality within it, which allows you to create your own custom maps with your own custom markers and everything, but it will still have the same layout as Google Maps. It'll only be a bit more customizable, and in this case it is tied directly to your Google account, and if you go to another Google account, you won't have the maps you have on your original one. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It really is that simple. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.